Hello students, today we are going to discuss poem 1 in 11th standard English, and that is a photograph which is written by Shirley Towson. Now in the first stanza we will go for the cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousin went pedaling. Actually here when the poet shows the photograph which was pasted on the cardboard. At that time, there were the two girls who went paddling. Went paddling means swam in the sea. Went paddling means swam in the sea. Each one holding one of my mother's hand, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncles with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less and washed their terribly transient feet. Transient feet means temporary. So here the photograph pasted on the cardboard shows two girls' cousin, Betty and another is Dolly, who went paddling in the sea with the poetess mother. Each of them was holding one of the hands of the poet's mother, who was a girl of some 12 years or so that time. Her uncle had a camera. All three stood still facing the camera. They pushed their hair aside to smile. Thus, a photograph presents three smiling faces. The faces of the poet's mother is a sweet one. It was a time before she was born. Their feet, which were being washed by sea water for a very short time, have been photographed along with the sea, which appears to have changed less. The poet thus indirectly hints that her mother's face has changed over the years. Now we shall discuss the second stanza. Some 20-30 years later, she laughed at the snapshot. Snapshot means the photograph which was taken very quickly. See Betty and Dolly. She would say, "Look how they dressed us for the beach." Which type of the dress? Totally strange, totally queer. And the sea holiday was past. Mine is her laughter, both wry with the laboured ease of the loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as the girl lived, and these circumstances there is nothing to say at all. It is only silence, and silence is. So here in the second and third stanza, after a lapse of the time, say some 20 or 30 years later, the poet's mother would laugh at this photograph, at this snapshot. She would refer to the photograph and recollect how her cousins Betty and Dolly had dressed themselves for the beach when they went on a sea holiday. She laughs as she sees the scanty dress. This sea holiday was an event of her past. Her laughter was really real and pleasant for the poet. It is a precious memory for her both. Her holiday and her laughter are amusing in an ironic way, as they are linked with her loss, which required a forced state of freedom from pain. Now the poet's mother is dead, approximately many years as that girl in the picture lived. The poet feels at a loss of words to comment on this event, her death. It is a solemn moment, and it is silence make her silent. Thus the poet says, a tribute to her mother, it is the old photograph that moves her to silence. Really.